Welcome to Bright Buddies!
Quiz for kids. Are you ready? How many fingers do you have on one hand? Correct answer. A. Which animal hops and has long ears? Correct answer. B. Which shapes looks like ball? Correct answer. A. What do you use to brush your teeth? Correct answer. B. What shines in the sky at night? Correct answer. C. What do you wear on your feet? Correct answer. B. Which animal lives in the water and has fins? Correct answer. A. What color is a banana? Correct answer. C. How many legs does a cat have? Correct answer. B. Which animal can fly? Correct answer. A. Congratulations kids, you guys done a great job. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.